to pull over for a minute.
That was the hardest stop I've ever felt in my life.
I just nearly killed a man. I think that's him now. Oh my god, he just fell over and hit his head. Oh, you stupid pheasant!
It was a rabbit.
No, it wasn't. It was a pheasant. It had feathers.
Well, that's its little tail coming up.
What's up, Doc?
Yeah, birds have tails as well.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck off. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Are you sure about that?
What's he doing?
I don't know. What is he doing?
Your sticks leave it touching the ground,
God, I'm so immature.
Video protected.
Yeah, it's popped off again. Oh, I'd have loved it if it threw it in the bin.
See road closure. Oh, yeah.
Shitting out? Fuck.
Idiot!
Ah, fucking idiots, man. Ginger's been nagging for food like all day non-stop. It's probably because he's still like malnourished. Oh shit! The fuck, man! Are you fucking brain dead?
I mean, look at him there.
Jesus Christ! I need to pull over for a minute. I just nearly killed a man.
It wouldn't have been your fault.
Well, that's the thing though, it would have been my fault because he didn't want to look at the road and was clearly walking into it. I think that's him now. Oh my god, he just fell over and hit his head. I'm not even kidding, he's just took a right tumble and smacked his head on the wall. And now he's on the floor. He's getting up. Kind of. What the fuck, man? Thank you, Spider-Man.
Fully charged with Ed and Valerie.
This is hit music night.
Saw you update your profile photo. See you smiling, she must be nice.
Bye, have a great time.
What the fuck are you doing?
I don't know. Look, this idiot is just gonna park there as well. Look, now these are blocking the fucking road.
Yeah.
You're fucking stupid or something.
Well, he is.
That means you're stupid then.
Yep.
Christ. Fucking dumb or something, moron.
Fucking spin round. We're the same.
Fucking hell, man.
Fuck me, bro.
What the fuck?
Fucking Jesus! Where was the indication?
So there's this junction in Hull.
Hey,
It connects Derringham Street
what are you shrugging at other people for?
to Springbank. It's a seemingly simple, easy to navigate, clearly marked junction.
You want to lurch into the intersection.
If you start going out, people are like, hey, what's he doing? And they'll slow down.
You lurch, and then you lurch some more, and whoever doesn't flinch gets to go first.
This is Nightmare Junction.
See, I can see. Are you stopping? Nope.
It's good you didn't just probably go for it, otherwise it'd have been the same thing again.
Why did someone just swing out into this lane?
Yeah.
What are you doing? You were in the wrong lane in there. Jesus Christ. Entire lane now, well done.
Whoa, what are you doing? Do you even have any brake lights? I don't think the car in front has any brake lights at all. I just nearly went into the back of them. Right, at this point here, they have to brake. They have to. Yeah, they have no working brake lights whatsoever.
Video protected.
Wow.
The lights are back to no bright. Do you like Juno?
Yeah?
Can I you get you? That's so spinny.
Hang on.
Oh!
Spend all the rest of my years wishing I could go. Fucking hell!
You can't park there, sir.
I know I can't park it.
No, 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 no. Wait. Wait.
Yeah, that's typical.
What the fuck are you doing?
Well, that's on the dash cam.
Fucking hell, don't look or anything then. Jesus fuck.
To the basement, many surprises await you. In the basement,
what's that about? He had one hand up and he was giving every car he saw a thumbs down.